In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect audio in Zoom so you can hear everyone clearly and be heard without any issues. Getting your audio set up properly is one of the most important steps before or during a meeting. If your microphone or speakers aren't connected, communication becomes difficult very quickly. So let's go through the simplest way to make sure everything works perfectly. First, once you're inside a Zoom meeting, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Join Audio. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do that, Zoom will connect your microphone and speakers. This allows you to hear others in the meeting and also speak so they can hear you. After connecting, that same button will change to mute or unmute. This is a good sign that your audio is now active and working. If you ever want to quickly check, just look at that area. If you don't see the toolbar right away, don't worry. Zoom sometimes hides it to give you more screen space. Just move your mouse or tap your screen and it will reappear. Now, if you want to make sure everything is working before you even join the meeting, Zoom gives you that option as well. On the preview screen, before you enter the meeting, you'll see an option to test your audio. Click on it, and Zoom will guide you through a quick check. First, you'll hear a sound to test your speakers. If you can hear it clearly, your output device is working. Then, Zoom will ask you to speak so it can test your microphone. You'll usually see a level indicator moving as you talk. If both tests work fine, you're ready to join the meeting with confidence. Here are a few quick tips to avoid common audio problems. If you're using headphones or external microphone, make sure they are plugged in before joining the meeting. Also, check that your computer's volume is not muted or too low. If people say they can't hear you, it often means the wrong microphone is selected. You can fix this by clicking the small arrow next to the mute button and choosing the correct device. And if you're in a noisy environment, try to move closer to your microphone or reduce background noise as much as possible. Clear audio makes a big difference in how professional you sound. So to sum it up, click Join Audio once you're in the meeting, or test your audio beforehand to make sure everything is set correctly. With these simple steps, you'll avoid common issues and start your Zoom meetings ready to communicate clearly. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.